Okay, it says 2 diamond rings and 4 silver rings cost $1,440. A diamond ring and a silver ring cost $660. How much does a silver ring cost? So we know that we have 2 diamond rings. So I'm going to do 2 diamond rings. And how many silver rings do I have? I have 4 silver rings. So I'm going to add my 4 silver rings. And what is the total of all of these combined? Let me choose a different color here. It's too hard to see. There we go. Okay, so what is the total?
1,440.
Okay, so all of these together equal 1,440. Well, we've been learning about tape diagrams, so I can make a tape diagram on my paper. I'll move these out of the way for right now. And I know that I have 2 gold, or 2 diamond, and then 4 silver. Of course, I've given myself way too much space, so I'm just going to cross this out. We don't need that. And all of these added together equal $1,440. What other information does it give me? What else does it give me? Abby?
That a diamond ring and a silver ring cost $660.
So a diamond ring and a silver ring are $660. So here's a diamond, here's a silver. Together, those two make $660. Do I have any more diamond silver combinations I can make?
Yes.
What else can I do? How many more can I make?
One more.
One more, so I can take a diamond into silver. So now I have 2 groups of how much? Okay, I have 2 groups of diamond and silver. So I can come over here to my tape diagram. How many silvers do I have in this group? 2. How many diamond do I have in that group? 2. So I'm going to come down to my tape diagram. I'm going to go 2 diamonds and 2 silver. Because now I can figure out how much those cost, right? And how do I figure out how much those cost?
Well, yesterday the answer was 60, so 660 minus 60.
Okay, well I know that this group equals 660 and this group equals 660. So what can I do? How can I figure out what the total is?
660 times 2.
660 times 2? Can you do it another way too?
660 plus 660.
Okay, so you can do it either way. 660 plus 660 or 660 times 2. I'm going to do it 660 times 2 because I have 2 sets that are 660. 2 times 6 is 12, carry the 1. 2 times 6 is 12, plus 1 is 13. So 2 diamonds and 2 silvers equal 1,320. Now the question though says how much does a silver ring cost? So I have 2 silver rings left. And the question is how much does 1 cost? So what am I going to do now? I can get rid of these. I've already taken care of those. I have 2 silver rings left. How do I find out how much one of them equals?
Well, we know that our full amount of service is $1,440, and then 4 rings that you just took out, altogether they were $1,320.
Mm-hmm.
So you minus those.
Okay, because I just took I just took these out, right? I just took the gold and the silver out of the 1,440 on my tape diagram. So you take 1,440 minus that leaves me with $120. So that means both of these together equal, both of them together equal 120. So how do I find out how much 1 equals?
120 divided by 2 silver rings,
Okay, so I'm going to,
and you're taking away because you're trying to see what one costs.
so I'm going to take my final bar here, what's left of my bar, and I'm going to pull it apart into 2 parts, which means I'm going to take 120 is how much these both equal. 120 divided by 2. So how many times does 2 go into 12? 6 times 2 is 12. 0. How many times does 2 go into 0? 0. So 1 silver ring So let's look at this. If my initial cost for a gold and a silver, or gold and diamond and silver. Okay, here's the deal. When I think about metal, I don't think about diamond, okay? That part keeps throwing me off. I think gold and silver. Okay, so diamond and silver. If one silver ring costs 60, one diamond ring what did we say that those two cost together? A diamond and a silver costs 660. So how would I find out how much the diamond ring costs? If both of these together equal 660, how much would a diamond ring cost?
You have to take 660 divided by 2.
No, not divided by 2, because we already know that the silver ring costs $60. So how would we figure that one out? Brianna, what do you think?
Since we know that the silver ring is 60,
Uh-huh.
then we're trying to find out how do we get to 660. We just add 600 and we add 600.
Okay, so we would add 600 to 660, and if you don't know that you add 600 to 660 to get that, you would just say 660 minus $60, and that would give me 600. But our answer to the question, we went off track here, is one silver ring costs $60.